18th Sunday of Ordinary Time. So we're into August now, and our team would ordinarily have a hiatus in August of some description because of the way holidays work, and we're a relatively small team at the moment. It's difficult to field a group that can lead it every Sunday. I want, when we transition out of this season of this weird pre-recording thing, to really be able to go back to live singing properly. We'll see how we go. We're into the series of gospel readings from John, where Jesus speaks about being the bread of life. So we open with I am the bread of life, and we're kind of following last week's thread, as we always do in the readings, but we don't always notice it. The Lord gave them bread from heaven is on my list of psalms to set. It'll be set in time for that Sunday. The table is a relatively new piece that we tend to use mostly as a song at the Offertory and the preparation of the gift. If we're going to lean towards something unfamiliar, then I tend to go with it at the preparation of the gifts, because the people are busy doing other things with their Offertory and things, and they don't miss so much not being able to fully engage with this song. Really, it's a piece about being invited to the table of the Lord to receive this bread of heaven that will sustain us. In the gospel we hear Jesus say these words, I am the bread of life. Who comes to me will never be hungry. Who believes in me will never thirst. And so we sing our feast at the table of the Lord. Come all you weary, all you hungry, all you thirsty. You won't hunger anymore at his table. We've gone with that CJM staple, bread of life. The third verse just picks up so beautifully. Lord, you gave your people manna in the desert. Just as we heard in our first reading from Exodus, that reminder that is a foretaste of the Eucharistic feast we know now and the feast of heaven to come.